Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to use Wells Fargo refinancing. Refinancing your mortgage can be a great way to save money on your monthly payments or tap into your home equity. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the process step by step. First, determine your refinancing goals. Are you looking to lower your monthly payments, reduce your interest rate, or tap into your home equity? Knowing your goals will help you decide which type of refinancing option is best for you. Next, check your credit score. Your credit score plays a big role in determining the interest rate you will qualify for. A good credit score can help you qualify for a lower interest rate, which can save you money on your monthly payments. Now, gather the necessary documents. You will need to provide proof of income, proof of employment, and proof of assets. You will also need to provide information about your current mortgage, including your current interest rate and loan balance. Once you have gathered all the necessary documents, you can start the refinancing process. You can apply online, by phone, or in person at a Wells Fargo branch. The application process typically takes a few minutes to complete, and you will need to provide some basic information about yourself and your mortgage. After you have submitted your application, Wells Fargo will review your credit and order an appraisal of your home. The appraisal will determine the value of your home, which will be used to determine how much you can borrow. Once your application has been approved, you will receive a loan estimate that outlines the terms of your new loan, including the interest rate, monthly payment, and loan amount. Review the loan estimate carefully to make sure it meets your needs and goals. Finally, close on your new loan. This typically involves signing a few documents and transferring the funds from your old loan to your new loan. Once the process is complete, you will start making payments on your new loan. Some best practices to keep in mind when refinancing with Wells Fargo include shopping around for the best interest rate, considering all the costs involved, and carefully reviewing the terms of your new loan. It is also a good idea to consider working with a mortgage consultant who can help guide you through the process and ensure you get the best deal possible. In conclusion, refinancing your mortgage with Wells Fargo can be a great way to save money on your monthly payments or tap into your home equity. By following these steps and best practices, you can navigate the process with confidence and achieve your financial goals.